Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are doing great. So, children, today I'll be narrating a very interesting and also it's quite an interactive story. Yes, it's about this scientist. Yes, who was known as Carl Linnaeus. Okay, so he was a Scottish biologist as well as also which we can it's the same term as world scientist. Yes. So children, his what is his name? Carl Linnaeus. Okay. So children, this world he was a world scientist as well as a Swedish biologist. Yes. So children, when was he born? Carl Linnaeus was born on May 23, yes, in Sweden. He was, as a child, what did he love? He loved outdoors and he was very curious. He spent, how did he spend his day? In wandering among the gardens, yes, and forest close to his house, as you can see. He used to always wander around, yes. He used to love seeing what? Butterflies, birds, see? And he would spend his day in watching all the creatures, such as birds and butterflies and all. Yeah, see, as you all can see over here. Then what next? He thought that plants and animals needed names. Without names, it was very difficult for people to relate to and discuss them. He thought that yes, plants and animals needed names. Yes, as we humans also need names, right? To call out. So the same thing, plants and animals also needed names. Without names, it was very difficult for people to relate to and discuss them. So what did he decide? He decided to develop a system that would properly label everything on earth. Yes, so he started working on his project. What project was it? To name all the animals and plants that needed names. Yes, see, as you all can see, he's wo- he's he kept on he kept thinking that I should name all the plants and animals, and they'd need names too, like how we need names, right? Then what? He put a lot of effort. What did he do? He put a lot of effort into studying and classifying plants and animals according to their characteristics. Yes, see? Yes, and what did he do? He grouped them much like placing them in huge family albums. Yes, see? He 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 used to what he used to do? He used to classify plants and animals according to their characteristics. Yes. So what did Carl scientist decide? What did he do? He gave everyone, all the humans and plants and animals, he gave them the first name and last name. So for example, over here he gave human name of, so as you can see, the children, how was Carl Linnaeus? He was a very kind and thoughtful individual. Yes, he was more than simply a scientist. Yes, he was also very kind. How was his nature? He was very kind and a very thoughtful individual. Yes. See, this is who is this? Carl Linnaeus. Okay. He is a world scientist and a Swedish biologist. Yes. Yes, children. What else? He thought that learning about nature may increase our understanding. That's why. And the beauty of planet. Yes, what did he thought? He thought that learning about nature may increase our understanding of the wonder and beauty of the planet. Oh, wow. The children later on, he became a professor at a university where he taught many students who went on to become a great scientist too. So he was a professor, yes. And what else? He worked, he worked, and he was also called as a father of modern taxonomy. Yes, which what does that mean? It means which is the science of naming, describing, and organizing living things. Yes, he's to what he's to name and who he's to name these flowers, animals, and plants. And who was this world scientist, children? He was a world biologist. Yes, he was a boy who who loved nature and grew up to help the world understand. Yes, it's amazing. Okay, so children, Carl, okay, who was he? He was a person. Okay, was he a girl or boy? He was a boy, yes, who loved the nature and grew up to help the world and understand its amazing characteristics and things and all the interrelationship of all living things. Yes, so this is the end of the story. I hope you all have enjoyed this story. It was a short story, yeah, about a scientist. Okay, it was about a scientist. Yes. So children, if you all have enjoyed my video, please subscribe and hit the like button for more interesting content. Yes, and see you soon. Bye.